Hello and welcome to the Research Insights. This is brought to you by Say What with support from the Norwegian Students and Academics International Assistance Fund, as well as the Swedish Embassy in Zimbabwe. This is where we're going to take a look into the journey that the students have had over the 4 months that they were going through the mentorship process. I am joined here by one of the participants. I am your host, Nicole. Hi.
Hi, I'm Pauline T Gandiwa, and I'm doing anthropology, culture, and heritage at the University of Zimbabwe, and I'm actually in my 3rd year.
You're in your 3rd year. So, okay, you did research, right?
Yes, I did.
What was your topic of research?
It was on the challenges associated with disability inclusion in key field areas such as public health, sexual reproductive health, and even child safeguarding, and possible solutions in Harare.
So what were the real issues you were trying to address here?
Okay, I was trying to address issues pertaining to people with disabilities, how they're supposed to be included in those areas. For instance, we can talk about lawmaking. Some people who are disabled are not even included. Some people are not even included, and even in public health sectors. So they need to also be included in those sectors as well. So those are the issues I was trying to bring out and the possible solutions we can associate them with.
Okay, so what methods did you use to get your required information?
Okay, I used a qualitative research method. In my qualitative research method, I used interviews. So I interviewed about 20 people. So yeah, that's basically it.
Okay, so you did interviews, you did focus groups.
Yes, I did.
Anything else? You just stuck with those ones?
Yes.
Alrighty, did you find any limitations with the methods that you used?
Yeah, I did, because some of the methods, especially interviews, you don't really get to get enough information from the people. So those are some of the limitations.
Oh, okay, and how did your senior academics help you along this road?
They helped me a lot, because each and every time I used to consult them, they went through it step by step, do this, do that. So yeah, it was kind of easy.
I can see they really helped you, because the moment I said senior academics, you're smiling. Okay, so what were the recommendations that came out of your research paper?
Some of my recommendations were, when you're interviewing, especially the people with disabilities, you need to treat them with some special caution. For some of them, they are actually, how can I put it, they tend to react sometimes, maybe thinking that you're trying to attack them or saying some things that might offend them as well. So some of my recommendations are that when you approach them, you need to actually make them feel safe and comfortable as well. And especially when you are talking to them about stuff, you need to use simpler languages so that they actually understand what you're trying to say.
Okay, so which community did you do this in?
Oh, I did it in Budiriro.
Okay.
Yes.
And was there any language barrier, cultural barriers?
Yeah, there was. Because some of the people were saying, "Oh, we don't understand what you're trying to say." Or some of us, I like, how can you put it, Shona, Dip Shona. But like, so how do you say it in Dip Shona? And sometimes you not even understand, so you need someone to actually help you then.
So you were also learning something.
Yeah, I was also learning something.
Okay, great. So how do you feel now that the research paper is done and it's published? And
I feel great about it, honestly, because going through the whole 4 months mentorship was actually quite life-changing, I can put it. Because I actually learned a lot of things that I didn't even know, and it helped me quite a lot. So now that my paper is published and stuff, I feel great about it.
There's something with your name on it.
Yeah,
that people can look up.
Yeah.
And that's something with Pauline's name on it. This was the Research Insights. Be sure to look into the papers that are coming out from these wonderful students. Thank you.